welcome to the example presentation for the Young Sudha Championship. You can find more about the Young Sudha Championship in the description below. I am Shiksha Bali and I study at Ryan International School, Sector 25, Rohini. Let's watch a presentation by Kiana Sethi from Ryan Kandivali. Her favorite family activity is painting with her dad. Over to Kiana.
Hi friends, my name is Kiana Sethi from class 3rd, Ryan International Kandivali. There are lots of fun activities that I do with my family, like cycling, swimming, walking and many more. Today I am going to speak about one of my favorite activities, which is coloring with my father. When I was 3 years old, I was very keen in knowing different colors. I used to ask my mom, which color is it? Why this object is of that color only? 5 years back, after looking at my interest in colors, she bought me a coloring book named Jumbo Coloring. One day, when Papa came back home from work and I was coloring, suddenly he came to me, sat along and started coloring with me. We enjoyed a lot that day and it became a regular practice. He used to do coloring with me whenever he is free. While coloring, we discuss about the drawing and shades of color to be used. Like here, we discuss different shades of color for the bushes, time of the day and so on. And here, I was drawing myself. Papa asked me to add wings to it and color it. Lastly, he asked me to put my name, Kiana, as a signature, as I am his fairy. I was blushing after hearing that. While coloring, we were so engrossed that we forgot about the lunch. My mom had to come and pull us. And finally, we were on the dining table, had delicious lunch and discussed about the drawing. We had a blast that day. And today, even after 5 years, we still do coloring together. The bonding between Papa and me has become too strong that he understands me so well. He guides me to ignore silly things and move ahead in life. He listens to me as a friend and we share our daily activities while coloring, which made our bond stronger. After looking at both of us, sometimes Mama also joins us and now I do coloring with my family with lots of fun. So friends, I wish your life also fills with rainbow colors of bonding with your family. Thank you.
Wow, this was amazing. I never thought that painting with family can be so much fun. For sure, I will give it a try. Friends, what really impressed me was Kiana's clean photo slideshow. You all must have noticed she used personal pictures, not pictures downloaded from Google. She had a perfect storyline with no unnecessaries, animations or graphics. It was very easy to follow her because she spoke slowly and had a fantastic voice modulation. We can easily make out she practiced her speech very well. Now it's your turn, friends. Get out there and make some amazing presentation for the Young Sudha contest. Friends, if you liked our video, don't forget to give us a like, comment or share.